Good morning, children. Welcome back. We're ready to do our activity book. You can get your books out that has the smiley face on it. Get ready. You should be on this page. It's lesson 2. You should have a 2 up here at the top. It says lesson 2, and your page should look like this. We're going to go through a couple of these pages pretty quickly. You children have done this lots of times. You've got crayons here and you color them, the color that it says on the crayon. And then down here at the bottom, you have a crayon in each box, and you know what it means when you got an empty box. You get to do your drawings. The first box, the crayon inside of it says green. So you're supposed to look around the room that you're in and find something that is green. So I could look around here and I see a green pencil. So I could draw a picture of this pencil and color it green. But you look around the room you're in and see what you see in your room that's green and draw me a picture of it. And in the second box, the crayon up at the top says, what does that say? Purple. So draw a picture, it's this one. So look around your room, find something in your room that is purple, and draw me a picture of it. If you want, you can send the picture to me. The next page, you can come back and do this after the video. It's going to take you a little bit. The next page, we have things that are messed up. Is that how it says it? Some things in this picture are not like they should be. Can you find 10 mistakes? Look at that picture. There's a lot of stuff that's not like it should be. We can talk about a couple of them, and then I'm going to let you do the rest of this page on your own too. What do you see in that picture that's not as it should be? Let's see. I see a kitty cat. See that cat where the fire should be? That cat's not supposed to be in there, so you can circle the cat. Circle that cat. She don't belong in the fire pit. And then there's a watermelon where another rock should be. See where that watermelon is around the fire pit? Right here, if you want to look. See that watermelon? There should be another rock there, and there's a watermelon. So you can circle the watermelon. And then there's 8 more things in that picture that are not as they should be. See if you can find those and circle them. I'm going to give you just a couple minutes. I see something peeking out of that tent. I'm not sure he should be in there, do you think? I would say circle that guy. Are you finding them? Whenever you think you have them all, you can turn one more page, turn to this page. If you're not finished, you can come back to it and do it after the video. Go ahead and turn to this page. We're going to talk about opposites again. And remember, we talked about opposites one day here in class. An opposite, let me give you some examples here. Remember children, what is the opposite of up? Something totally different from up would be down, okay? If it's not up, it's down, right? That is an opposite. What is the opposite of light? When you go outside and it's light out, if it's not light, what is it? What is the opposite of light? would be dark. If it's not light, it's dark. Okay. What about sweet? What is the opposite of sweet? Anybody know? How about sour? Or maybe you say salty. Sweet and sour. Here's a good one. What is the opposite of empty? If it's not empty, what is it? Here I have a cup. If my cup's not empty, what is it? Full. So full and empty are opposites. Okay, I have a poem here I want to read you about opposites. Opposites are everywhere. I am here and you are there. Here and there would be opposites. Night is dark, but day is bright. Coal is black, but snow is white. So black and white are opposites. Dark and bright are opposites. Squirrels leap fast, but snails crawl slow. Birds fly high, but worms squirm low. Love is right, but hate is wrong. I am weak, but God is strong. Thick and thin, and lost and found. Opposites are all around. Okay, let's do this page on opposites. You see that first picture here is a picture of a book. Everybody put your finger on the book. Everybody ready? Got your page? Put your finger on the book. And that book is closed. So what would the opposite of closed be? If it's not closed, it's what? How about open? The opposite of closed is open. So find one of these pictures that shows open and circle it. I'm going to help you on the first one, and then the next two I'm going to let you do on your own. Which one of these pictures shows something that is open? That's pretty easy. It's the door. So circle the door is open. The book is closed. Closed and open are opposites. Okay, the next one, I'm going to let you do it on your own. You have a picture of a boy here on a teeter-totter. And the boy is up. What is the opposite of up? If it's not up, it's what? Anybody know? Ashton, what do you think? When it's not up, it's what? Whenever you find it, circle it here. And the last one, we have a nest. And we have 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3 eggs in the nest. The eggs are in the nest. So we want to find something that's the opposite of in. If you're not in, you're what? If it's not in, it's what? Anybody know? Are these kind of hard for you? I'm going to let you do this one all on your own. April, you got it figured out? What is the opposite of in? Find a picture that shows the opposite of in and circle it. When you get that done, you can go down at the bottom and you have 3 dot maps. They look pretty easy, dot maps, today. So you can do your dot maps. You may have to come back and do those later. And then we have our art project. And our art project looks like this. I only have a picture of it in my teacher's book. Your art project page should look like this. You have a refrigerator and a cupboard. I think it's calling it a cupboard. Jake's mother hid some surprises for him for his birthday. On this page, you see a refrigerator and a cupboard. You will need to put doors on the freezer and doors on the cupboard. Cut out the doors at the bottom of the page. Cut the doors of the cupboard apart on the middle line and put glue only along the outside edge of each cupboard door and freezer door. Cut out the ice cream, cake, and candy and glue them behind the doors to hide them. And I'm going to tell you where to glue them. You may forget. If you forget, you can have your mom reread it to you. You glue the cake on the high shelf in the cupboard. See the difference between the refrigerator and the cupboard? The cake gets glued on the high shelf in the cupboard. Glue the candy on the low shelf in the cupboard. And the ice cream, everybody knows where the ice cream goes. You glue the ice cream in the freezer. Everybody knows where ice cream goes, in the top part of your refrigerator. So whenever you get done, here's what my page looked like. Whenever you get done, you should have a picture, and I colored mine. See how these doors open? Okay, the bottom one don't open, just the top. This opens, you got ice cream in the freezer, and then in the cupboard you have, we've got cake and candy in the cupboard. See that? So when you get done, your page should look like that. So that will take you a little bit. You can finish that up also after the video. We're going to go through and do a little bit of review on our letters because we didn't get it done on the first video. So everybody can put your pencils and your crayons and everything down. You can finish up after the video. Right now we're going to do letters. Everybody looking up here? Blake, you looking? Daryl? Everybody awake? Let's do some letters. Remember to start with, on our workbook, we had a new letter today. It was the letter B. Remember the B? B says b, like Blake or Beverly. Remember the B. So we're going to go through and practice the letters. That was the B. Are you ready? Everybody all together. You should know these letters by now, okay? Let's say them all together. You ready? P, N, O, G, T, F, A, M, S, H, D, I, J, R, and U, and back to the P. Does everybody learn in their letters? Your vowels, let's review the vowels. Your vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and we've had all of those except the E, and I think it's coming up. A, E, I, O, and U. And let's really quick do this here little drill yet. Let me get close so you can see. We're going to talk about vowel sounds. Vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. The A says A. We haven't had the E yet. The I says I. O says ah, and U says ah. Everybody knows how to do this. Are you ready? T-A is ta, T-I is ti, T-O is ta, and T-U is ta. Let's do them together. You ready? Whenever I point to them, say them. Everybody ready? Ta, ti, ta, ta. Louder and faster. You ready? Ta, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ti, ta, ta. Got it? Let's go over to the S. Ready for the S? Here we go. Sa, si, sa, sa. Sa, si, sa, sa. Sa, si, sa, sa. The M, ma, mi, ma, ma. Ma, mi, ma, ma. And the R, ra, ri, ra, ra. Ra, ri, ra, ra. See if you can do them by yourself. Okay, I'm going to point to them and you say them, all right? Ready? One more time. Good job. Let's do the S. Ready? Faster. Good job. And the M. One more time. And the R. One more time. Good job. You like that? Remember, A says a, I says I, O says ah, and U says ah. Ta, ti, ta, ta. Okay. And now, let's go over your numbers one more time. We have the 14 today. And I don't think I have it out yet, do I? Let me look really quick. Here he is. Let's add the 14 to our pile. Are y'all ready? Here's the one we have today is the 14. 1, 4 makes 14. 14 comes after 13, so let's put him in the mix here. We're going to start with 0. Are you ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, we got these mixed up. 13 comes after 12. Sorry, children. 12, 13, and 14. Now we have to do it again because I messed them all up. Let's start all over with 0. Okay? Yins are going to have to give me flashcards, I think. Are you ready? Are you watching, Jamin? Let's go faster this time. Are you ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Good job. Let's count today. We counted to 14. Let's start at 0 again, and we're going to count to 20, all the way to 20. Are you ready? Ready, Carrie? Start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. We're going to keep adding letters till we're all the way up to 20. So we're on 14. You can keep practicing. Count every day. Do all your counting exercises in your book. Make sure that you know whenever you see this number, you automatically know it's a 14. Whenever you see this, you just look at it one time, you know it's an 11. You see this, you know it's a 13. So make sure you can recognize all your numbers. Keep practicing on your address. You need to know your address and one of your parents' phone numbers. Keep practicing on that. Have your parents write it down for you. Say it every morning and every night. I think we'll do our memory verses yet. I don't think we did our memory verses yet today. Let's do those yet. The one we learned while we were here in school was 1 Corinthians 10:31. Does everybody still remember that? Let's say it together. Whether therefore ye eat or drink or whatsoever ye do, do all to the glory of God. And then our new verse is Matthew 6:21, and we had a couple stories on that. Matthew 6:21, for where your treasure is, there will your heart be also. One more time, ready? Matthew 6:21, for where your treasure is, there will your heart be also. I think we'll go through our colors yet, and then we'll close this video out. Let's do our colors yet, children. Are you ready? What is this color? Starts with a P. Purple. Purple looks like that. Everybody knows. Green. Starts with the G. Green. There's green. Which one is this? Yellow. Good job. Yellow looks like that. Red. Good job. That's red. Orange. Good job. What is this one? Blue. Blue looks like that. And the last one is black. Black looks like that. Oops, this is the last one. Here's the last one, is brown. And brown looks like that. Okay, children, thank you for watching. And everybody remember, study your letters, study your numbers, and study your address and your phone number. And opposites, study your opposites too. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.